Get over here! Wait, where'd it go? I don't know, having some... It was weird. I can't find that. Oh, there it is. Die! What? These arrows aren't working. I'm just gonna have to beat it up. Bacha! Wah, wah, wah. Okay, it won't let me attack it. So it's the invincible chicken. Oh, never mind, it's not. It's not invincible. Come here! Let me kill you, I want your feathers! Yes. Oh man. Oh shoot, it's getting nighttime. Alright, I gotta go sleep. Well, there's my doggies, they're all chilling out. One of them's broken though, it only sits down. My doggies Riley and Lucy. Oh yeah. They wear sunglasses like pros. Ooh. Give them some bacon. I like bacon. And they do too. If you right-click dogs, it gives them bacon. Oh, it mesmerizes them. Wow, okay. Yeah, this dog over here is like broken. That's so sad. Let's go to bed.